Congratulations on your purchase of the mirror. I'm going to show you how to install yourself instead of the white glove installation. My mirror is on the wall, and we decided to get it from a distributor and pick it up ourselves, and we did it. This video is how to install the mirror on your wall. I have my mirror cover here covering my camera, and I am now gonna go through the video and show you how it's done. So this video is about you installing the mirror, and this is specifically the stud drywall installation. You're gonna need some necessary tools, okay? So it's gonna come with all of these things, yay. But necessary tools, you're gonna need your stud finder, okay? And so stud finder, you spread it on the wall, you wait until it gives you the right signal. You're gonna need a pencil for marking, tape measure. You're gonna need a leveler, painter's tape, a drill bit, and 5 and 30 seconds and 1/2, screwdriver, a nut driver, and a blanket, okay, to catch debris. All right, so most of these things you kind of know, like as far as the drill, okay, so make sure that it reads 5 and 30 seconds, all right? Now, as far as a screwdriver, make sure you have a screwdriver and not a flathead, okay? And then on your nut driver, okay, so I wasn't sure how this worked. So the nut driver, it has to be specifically, it says, where is it, 3/8, okay? And so it reads that it's 3/8 on the side. And so there it is, it's 3/8 right there. And then you have to connect it, all
with
right?
your
All right,
socket.
so go ahead and you put it together, please, because I've never used a nut driver before. So the socket goes in there, okay, and then you can use
The wrench.
all right. And so, and then there are pieces that come with the mirror set that you're going to work with it. Like you gotta have, what's the other piece? The nut.
Right, this is the nut.
All right, so when you have the nut and you're working it, you're gonna work it like that, okay? All right, so let's look at the leveler. So you're also gonna need a leveler, okay? Make sure you're a leveler, and you have your measuring tape, and you have a pencil, all right? And you have a wall that you're going to place your mirror. One of the things while you're installing the mirror, it keeps saying, it says hang your template. I was like, what the heck are you talking about, hang a template? This right here at the bottom of your paper, this is your template, okay? So my installation is for drywall, and so this is my template, and it's already been cut out, all right? And so we're about to hang the template, and you're gonna follow this chart right here. It depends on which mirror installation that you're doing, but you're gonna follow the chart that's there. So we're on the wall, and we are wanting to locate the stud, okay? So when you hear that, you've located your stud. When you move away, you've dislocated it or not found it. So right here, you want to mark your beginning, all right, and then where it stops, all right? So I have those two markings, and then you want to get a center marking, and that's what my center marking is, all right? So that's one of your first things you do. You want to locate your stud. So based upon my height, I'm going to do 57 inches from the floor. So you want to go down 57, and then we want to mark right here, and it's already marked 57, okay? And so then the directions tell you to place the center of the template, all right? Place the center of the template, and this is the paper, and it has the center of the template. You want to align your template on the wall, okay? All right, so I am 57 inches from the floor. All right, and then you want to put that center marking right there at your height, whatever you determine, and then you're going to tape it on the wall using your painter's tape. So if you look at the directions, it tells you to have right there, the center right there, okay, and then you tape the sides, all right? So we have the center is right there, and you tape the sides and make sure it is level. Now, at step 3, where you drill the pilot holes, all right, so you're gonna use your for me, I have to use the drill and the 5 and 30 32 halves, 32s, 30s, how do you say that, 5 and 30 32 drill bit to make a 2.5 inch hole over hole 1, okay, and over hole 2. All right, so we're gonna get that taken care of, and you only go in, it says go in 2.5 inches. So this is a 1/2 inch drill bit, and it is pretty large, and it is gonna go a 1/2 inch into the wall. Okay, as per direction 3, drill pilot holes. So now we're going to drill the pilot holes for the A, B, C, D. So notice the A, the B, the C, and the D. Notice that if you follow your directions and you look at the picture here, it's not on the first one, it's on the second one. You kind of make a center marking. So you make a center marking, okay, on each one. So you have a center marking. Then on your CD, you have a center marking, and now we're going to drill with the 2-inch bit, remember? So we've already done this with the 5 and 30 seconds drill bit, and now we're going to do this with the 1/2 inch drill bit. Make sure you are parallel. Into drywall, it's not the stud. Remember, the stud was in the center here, those markings. So now it's time for inserting toggle, and it tells you to put the toggle in parallel to the plastic, and you're going to slide it into the hole, and it will open, and you're going to slide this part down, and we're going to pull it out. Not pull it out, we're going to flush it with the wall. Okay, you have 4 toggles that you're entering. We've already inserted 1, so make it parallel with the plastic. You're going to slide it in. That 1/2 inch drill bit made it nice and fat in there. It's already drilled in a 1/2 inch. All right, and then you're going to slide that plastic. I want you to do that. Slide that all the way to the wall. And once that is done, you're going to wiggle left and right. And this is up and down because that is up and down, and then it's going to come right on off.
That one is loose.
Up. 2. Slide the clamp. It's a good sound. Wiggle left and right, and we are in there. And now we're going to do the last one, cotton, knowing that your wall is insulated there. Last toggle, go in. Decided to turn it sideways, goes in better. Go all the way in, let it catch the wall. Pull it out slightly, and then pull the plastic all the way to the wall. Wiggle left and right, and it comes off. Nice. Okay, now we're ready for the plate. So now make sure you identify your wall mounting plate and then your mirror plate, okay? And then you have lag bolts, and you have the bolts that are gonna go into the wall mounting plate. You're gonna have your washer in front of it, okay? And then we are gonna screw it in, okay?
Slide it, I'll push it in first.
All right, and then we're gonna do the other 4.
Hold on.
Now, in the center is where your lag bolts are going to go. So we've already leveled it, and we're good, and we've tightened A through D, and now we are tightening 1 and 2 using the nut driver. So make sure you level it. Make sure you level before you tighten completely. All right, step 5 is done. This is a heavy mirror, and it ain't going anywhere, okay? All right, so now it is moving on to prepare the mirror. Prepare the mirror, and that is now where we use the mirror mounting plate. We're moving on to mirror mounting. Okay, so now we're going to mount the mirror plate, and you're using the 4 screws that are the M12s, and then there are 2 other ones for the bumpers, and notice that they are different sizes. So these smaller ones are for the bumpers. Okay, when you're doing the plate, make sure it is flush up against the backing of the mirror, and it's gonna catch on the wall mount. All right, so we got our 2 bumpers in, up against the wall.
Killing it in the game.
And we're gonna get our last bumper nice and tight, and we're about ready to mount. Woohoo! Lord. Power cord is in. The excess is in there. We're gonna clean that up. The wall mount is there, and we are now ready to hang it on the wall. Let's go. We'll take 2 to hold up this $75 joker. We have a mirror on the wall, so now it is time for time to plug in. Thank you, Lord. It was a journey, but we've gotten there, and the mirror is on, and it needs to be cleaned. I only use the cleaner to clean the mirror with the chamois that comes with it, and now it's time to power on. And is it on? Mirror has been turned on. Mirror is on. On. Look at it, like, hey. Mirror is on. Yes, connect the mirror. Let's set it up. Yes. You know now how to install the mirror.